Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this lesson I am going to teach you what is dark cloud candlestick pattern, how we can identify this candlestick pattern, what are those conditions in which this candlestick pattern will work in a perfect way. Okay, so let's start. Remember we are in a series of two candlestick patterns, so dark cloud is a two candlestick pattern and it is one of the strong bearish trend reversal pattern. Alright. Friends, dark cloud pattern looks like this. It is composed of two candles. So here, this white candle, bullish candle should be within the uptrend, strong uptrend, okay? And this bearish candle is its second condition. So basically what is important in this pattern, after the strong uptrend, this candle is bullish and this bearish candle opens with gap up opening. First candle is bullish and this candle should be opening with a gap up opening. So it is a two candlestick pattern. First candle is a bullish, it should be forming a new high within the uptrend. Okay, this candle is bullish within the uptrend where market is making a new high, and this candle is very important, it should open with gap up opening. Okay, so it should open with gap up opening and its closing should be minimum below midpoint of this first bullish candle. Okay, so it should open with gap up opening, it should be a bearish candle and it should close below minimum midpoint of first bullish candle. So these are three important conditions. First condition is that first candle should be bullish. Second condition is that second bearish candle should open with gap up opening. And third condition is that it should close below midpoint of the first bullish candle. So basically what it means that as already we have strong bullish trend, here bulls were dominating, so bulls were so much excited that they have pushed the market up to a new high level and there was a gap up opening. Okay, so in that days when candlesticks were discovered, bullish candle were white candle and bearish were black. So this black candle which is arriving, it is like clouds, okay, dark cloud. So that's why a dark cloud is coming and that's why this pattern has been named as dark cloud pattern. Okay, even when bulls were so much excited that there was gap up opening, they have pushed the market up to this level and there was gap up opening. Now some people think that we should exit right now from the market and they exit, so prices started movement to the downside. Okay, even with the gap up opening, so that is very important sign that with the gap up opening prices are also falling down, so there will be trend reversal, a huge trend reversal. And third condition is that it should close below midpoint of the first bullish candle. Okay, and we will find such type of candlestick pattern after the strong uptrend. Its interpretation is simple, as I have already explained that first we have a strong bullish trend. After the bullish trend we got a candle with gap up opening. First bulls were excited and now somehow sellers came back and bulls were trying to exit from the market by taking out their profit. Sellers came back and they have closed this candle below midpoint of this bullish candle. So when even gap up opening candle is closing below this candle, it means that there is strong chances of trend reversal and market will have a trend reversal. Okay, chances of such candles are very rare in the forex market, but in the stocks, those pair which have gap up opening, these are very common. So here bulls are exhausted, sellers are back in the game and prices might fall from this level, and it is a strong bearish trend reversal pattern. Okay, and always remember, we will trade with proper stop loss and minimum 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, so now we will go to chart and see it. Okay, all right. So friends, you can see as there was uptrend, first candle is bullish. So you can see right after this candle we have gap up opening, first candle bullish, and this candle started opening from right from here. So this candle again closed bearish. So here we will take entry, and this high point would be our stop loss, and you can see market got a trend reversal. Okay, and we got more than 1:1 risk to reward ratio. Okay, uptrend, first candle bullish, second candle gap up opening, and it has closed below minimum midpoint. Even it has closed more than that, but it should close below. Okay, and right after that market got a trend reversal. So this point will be our stop loss, and we will adjust our take profit by 1:1 or 1/2 risk to reward ratio. So this was the explanation of dark cloud pattern. This pattern is very important, but it is mostly abundant in the stocks, those pairs which have gap up opening. Once again I will repeat its condition. Uptrend, first candle is bullish, second candle should have gap up opening, and it should close below midpoint of the first bullish candle, and right after that we will take entry. This high point would be our stop loss, and we will adjust our take profit with 1:1 or 1/2 ratio. Okay, so this was the explanation of dark cloud candlestick pattern. Okay, thank you.